Humor has been an integral part of human history, playing a crucial role in culture, communication, and social bonding. Throughout the ages, humor has evolved, adapted to changing societal norms, and served various functions within different historical contexts. Here's a broad overview of the role of humor in the history of humanity. Ancient humor. Greek and Roman comedy. Ancient Greece and Rome had a rich tradition of comedic plays, including works by Aristophanes and Plautus. These plays often satirized societal and political issues, providing a form of commentary on contemporary life. Satire in ancient India. Indian literature, including the Sanskrit play Mrichikatika and the comedic works of Kalidasa, incorporated humor and satire. These writings often explored human foibles and societal customs. Medieval humor. Court jesters and festivals. Medieval Europe saw the emergence of court jesters who entertained royalty with their wit and antics. Festivals and carnivals also became venues for humor, allowing people to temporarily challenge social hierarchies through satire and parody. Renaissance and Shakespearean comedy. Shakespearean comedy. William Shakespeare's plays, such as A Midsummer Night's Dream and Twelfth Night, showcased intricate comedic plots, wordplay, and the use of mistaken identities. Humor became a means to explore complex human relationships. 18th century and satirical prints. Political satire. The 18th century witnessed the rise of political satire in the form of prints and caricatures. Artists like James Gillray in England used humor to critique political figures and social issues, often with a sharp wit. 19th century and satirical publications. Satirical magazines. Satirical publications like Punch in England and Charlie Hebdo in France emerged in the 19th century. They used humor to comment on politics, culture, and societal norms. Early 20th century and silent comedy. Film comedy. The advent of cinema brought about silent comedies featuring iconic figures like Charlie Chaplin and Buster Keaton. Slapstick humor, physical comedy, and visual gags became prominent forms of entertainment. Mid-20th century television and stand-up comedy. Television comedy. The rise of television in the mid-20th century introduced sitcoms and variety shows, becoming a powerful medium for humor. Shows like I Love Lucy and The Honeymooners became cultural touchstones. Stand-up comedy. Comedians such as Lenny Bruce, Richard Pryor, and George Carlin used stand-up as a platform for social commentary, challenging societal norms and addressing taboo subjects. Late 20th century and satirical news. Satirical news programs, shows like Saturday Night Live and The Daily Show, used satire and humor to critique political events and societal trends. Satirical news became a popular form of commentary. 21st century and internet memes. Digital humor. The internet age brought about a surge in digital humor, with memes, viral videos, and social media platforms becoming powerful mediums for sharing and creating humorous content. Throughout history, humor has served various functions, including social critique, entertainment, stress relief, and community building. It reflects the values, norms, and challenges of each era while providing a universal language that transcends cultural boundaries. As society evolves, so does the nature and expression of humor.